Hello lovely people, how are you guys doing? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create this very warm toned, very summery makeup look. We have that very warm toned sunset eye makeup going on, of course with some shimmers forever. I love them, can't live without them. Just something very summery. That's how I'm feeling today. I think that this makeup look will look great on everybody, but especially on those of you with blue and green eyes, because that orangey shade that we have on the eyelids will make your eye color really pop and look more vibrant. It will really complement it, you know? So if you have blue or green eyes, you need to try out this look, okay? I tried using products which are more beginner friendly, products which are easy to apply, easy to blend, and yeah, without losing any time, let's just jump right into it. Alright, I'll start off with my primer today. I'm gonna use this Laura Mercier Pure Canvas primer. I feel like this is a very universal primer. Everybody can use it. Moving on to the foundation, I'm gonna mix these two here. These are by Fenty Beauty. This is the hydrating one. This is the Pro Filter one. Just gonna make a nice little cocktail on the back of my hand. I'm mixing two different shades. Ooh, see how liquidy that is. I'm mixing two different shades so that I can get a better match for me. It's still a little bit too dark for me, so I'm gonna bring it all the way down my neck. And for this I'm using foundation brush. I feel like with foundation brush it's easier to spread it and, you know, blend it into the skin. Some color correcting concealer under my eyes and in this inner corner area of my eyes, because that's usually where I have my darkness. Blending it out with a brush. I'm just pressing it into the skin and this is kind of blending it out for me. Some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer over my blemishes. And I'll just let that concealer to kind of set into my skin, not to the point where I can't blend it out, but just give it a few seconds to, I don't know, dry a little bit and get more thick. It's a little bit weird, but I feel like if I let my concealers to stay for a while on my skin before I blend them out, I'm getting a better coverage. I saw that in the BB Rexa Vogue makeup tutorial here on YouTube, and it's a brilliant trick. I'll start like blending out the edges first, like very gently tapping my sponge on that concealer, and boom, everything is covered. I use that same Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to cover up my under eyes, also bringing it on my brow bone here. Same thing here as well, letting it to kind of set into my skin for a while and then I'm blending it out. Eyebrows. Yesterday I tried out this Urban Decay Inked Brow product. I think it's their newest eyebrow product and I liked it. It's like liquid eyeliner but for your brows. It's really easy to apply. Then I'm brushing through my brow hairs with a spoolie so that I can soften up that brow product. The spoolie will kind of spread it and blend it and it's gonna look more natural. This is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil and that's the spoolie that it has on the one end, but I kind of like fold it like this so that it's easier to use. Normally it's like straight up, it's like this, but I fold it because it's a lot more convenient like this. Lastly, some clear brow gel, and that's going to be all for my brows today. I'll use some powder to set my forehead. Ooh, I used a little bit too much, oh no. And this will lock the concealer and my foundation in place. I'm avoiding my under eye area for now. I braided my hair yesterday after taking a shower while it was still wet and I slept with it like this and that's why it looks so messy. I mean, you're used to seeing my hair look really messy, right? It's nothing new here. But yeah, I just felt like I wanted to tell you why it looks like that. But anyways, we're moving on to the eyeshadows, which I'm so excited about. I'm gonna take this one here by Huda Beauty. It's called Private Jet. I'm gonna use the matte side of this and blending it out. Maybe I should take a bigger brush. I really want to diffuse it into my crease right here. And see how easy it is to blend it out. See, no harsh lines, nothing. Everything looks so diffused. This is again Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Eyeshadows, but this one is called Room Service. It's a little bit more orangey. It's like brick kind of color. I'm adding that just in the outer half. If you're a beginner with eyeshadows and you don't really know how to blend them, you don't really know how to work with them, these Huda Beauty liquid eyeshadows are so good because they're really easy to blend. And you can also use your fingers to blend them out. I'm just using a brush because my nails look horrible right now and I don't want you to see them. I'm still not sure if I want to go get my nails done. You know, I feel like it's a little bit too early. Here in Greece, we're not, things are not that restricted anymore, so we can go out and do stuff, but still, I don't know if I want to go get my nails done, Look at it. What is this? I have only one nail polish at home, and that's what I'm like constantly using. I know I just said that I don't want you to see my nails, and then I showed you my nail like really up close. It's so bad, I had to show it to you, okay? Come look at my hands. I'll take some concealer on a flat brush and clean my brow bone. This is also going to clean my eyeshadows. It's going to pull them a little bit down because I don't like it when my eyeshadows are touching my brow bone. I mean, I sometimes do, but that's not what I want to do today. Adding also some shimmers. This is the shimmery side from that Huda Beauty matte and metal melted eyeshadow. It's called Shimmering Sunset. Please don't look at my finger, please don't. Focus on the shimmers, focus on them. I'm adding some black pencil very closely to my lashes, and then I'm smudging it out. While I'm smudging it, I'm also dragging it upwards like this so that I can create like a very soft wing here. You see? I want everything to be like very soft, very diffused. This is my favorite part. Taking a baby wipe and I'm just gonna clean up the edge here. Boom! Sharp! I will wear falsies today, but before I glue them on, I will curl my lashes. I'm always trying to be like really gentle when I'm curling my lashes, but curling the lashes itself, it's aggressive, It's like folding your hair. It can never be gentle. But honestly, the effect of curling the lashes is so good. I've been curling my lashes for so long, like for years, and I never felt like I've damaged them. But I'm not going like crazy with the lash curler, I'm always trying to be more gentle. I remember when I first started to do my makeup, I was so concerned that I will damage my lashes when I'm curling them, but they're fine. Years of curling and wearing falsies, they're fine. I always do this. And see that excess of mascara that I have on my finger. Look at it. Oh, this excess product was on my eyes. That's how I'm getting rid of it. Boom, gone. For my falsies today, I'm gonna wear a pair by Ardell. I'm not really sure what's the name of this pair, but I'm gonna have it listed down in the description box. I love this pair of lashes. They're so good, they're so fluffy and long. I've probably worn them for like 6 or 7 times. They're still holding up, like they look great. The lash band is really thin, so it's super easy to camouflage it, and they're also very affordable. They're not heavy, you don't really feel them on your eyes. I mean, if you're not used to wearing falsies, you'll feel them on your eyes. Like you'll definitely feel like you have something on your eyes if you're not used to wearing falsies, but they're just more lightweight. I like that. Alright, next up, contour. Lottie London Blush Crush in the shade Drake. This highlighter is so pretty. It has some sheen in it, but the color is so pretty. Some of you guys are asking me what is the brush that I'm using for my blush. It's the Sigma F55. I've been using this brush for my blushes, and because it's a dual fiber brush, you can't really apply too much blush, It's really letting you build up the color and the intensity. I also take some cream blush. This one here by Nude Sticks. The color of this one is so pretty. So I'm just gonna take some of it on my fingers and I'm gonna add it on top of my blush. I tried this trick, like adding a cream blush on top of my powder brush. blush. Sorry. I tried this trick in my following Doja's Cat makeup tutorial, and oh my god, it looked so good. I still have mascara on my finger. Ever since I filmed that video, every time I do my makeup, I'm doing this. She actually used liquid blush, but I don't have liquid blush, so I'm using a cream one. Some highlighter. I can't stop using this one. It's so affordable and it's so good. The ELF liquid highlighter. There we go. A little bit on my cupid's bow, just whatever I have on my finger. On my lips today, I've used for the first time actually this Cash Lip Glaze by Milk Makeup. This is basically a lip gloss. It has that minty scent. The color is like orangey, peachy. I think it's kind of matching with the eye makeup. It's really suitable for today's look. I'll go back to that Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Eyeshadow, the shade called Private Jet. You can also use your finger to smudge it. I think I'm gonna add some highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes. Essence Glazed Donut Highlighter. Looks like powder in the packaging. It doesn't look like highlighter, but when you apply it on your skin, it's like boom! I'm here. See, it's very, very bright. I'm adding some mascara on my lower lashes, but only on the outer lower lashes here. Like this. This is a lip liner by Nabla in the shade Touch Me. I'll use it to like very softly define my lips. I don't want to create very crisp lines. I just want to, add a little bit more definition to my lips. I was planning on setting my under eye area with some powder, that concealer that I have under my eyes, but it doesn't look like it needs to be set, so I'm just gonna skip that. Throughout the video I could see that I had some creasing happening right here, but I just blended it out with my finger and it was fine. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you think about the look. Do you like it? Will you try it out? Let me know down in the comments. Today I wanted to create something more warm, something more wearable, sparkly. As always, I love sparkles. I feel like whenever I'm wearing falsies and eyeliner, that instantly makes the look a little bit more glam. But I think that I can call this look wearable glam. Right? I'll just leave my hair like this. I really like it. I know that it may look a little bit more frizzy right here at the top, but that's because I had it like this since yesterday. So let me know what other looks you want me to create in my next videos. I'll be browsing through the comments, so make sure that you leave me your suggestions. If you want to see more of me, you can follow me also on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!